Hello everyone. Right, hopefully I'm live. I can put that wrong way around. Oh dear. Right, this has just come. My Scentsy. I'm so happy. Anyway. Right then, I'll just turn the volume off on the computer. Don't want any of that dodgy feedback, do we? Let me click on that. Click to expand. Now I should be able to see, I've got the live chat window open. Let me just type. There we go, right then. So let us begin. Go. So this must be my little slip. Every moment matters warmer, Stargazing Scentsy bar, and walk on the beach Scentsy bar. Love this. Sorry for the crinkles. I do save this actually. I flatten it out and I save it for hi Dawn. I save it for crafting with. You know, it's lovely to use in journals and things. So put that in there. We have another bit. Ooh, now then. What shall we go for first, shall we? What's this? Ooh. Stargazing. So let me have a bit of a. Still not figuring that out, haven't we, yet? Oh dear. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, you have to take off the. Well, I can actually smell it. That smells really lush. So that's one. My other one was a walk on the beach. So, ooh. Oh, I do like that. That is very nice. And then the piece de la résistance, a little bit of French there for you. A warmer. So, shall we unbox? This is the Every Moment Matters warmer. I'll just, there we go. Bit of glare there, I do apologise. Let us open. Dun dun dun. Oh, be a star big enough that others can wish upon you. Orville. Now is that Orville the TV show or Orville something else? Oh, good to know, Dawn. Yes. That might be my first one to put in then. So, open up. Original instructions. Please keep these instructions clear in blah blah blah. Set the warmer base on a stable flat surface. After reading important safety instructions on this card, plug in warmer and turn it on. Place one or more sections of your sensor bar into the dish. Enjoy the Scentsy feeling. So yes, lovely. So you get some instructions in numerous languages. Lots of languages. I won't bother doing anything with that. Oh, okay. Oh, now then, not recyclable, so never mind. This is the warmer pot, I'm guessing. It's quite heavy, well made. Obviously, not for food use. I wasn't going to. Right, put that there. A bit of cardboard. This is recyclable, of course. Over there. Now that. Is there anything else in the box? No. Recycling. The box I will flatten and save, because this cardboard makes lovely journals. So it's just the right thickness for a nice journal cover. So that goes over there. So this is the warmer. It's quite large. What do we get? We get bubble wrap and we get a bulb. Remember, of course, not to touch the bulb with your fingers, because they get warm and the grease on your fingers causes them to break. So that will stop in there. I don't know what wattage it is offhand. I'll have to check the website. Ooh, more lovely bubble wrap. That gets popped before it gets recycled. I'll just take the plastic off out of you. Now then. So it's got some soft feet on. And there's the switch. 3-pin UK plug, of course. Get rid of that. Just say what's. Let me just have a look at the website. Although it's probably gone now. Let's have a look. Go to clearance, which is where I got it from. Right, the warmer's not there now. So hopefully the wattage is written on the bulb. Hopefully, or on the side. I'll have to have a close look at it with in a paper towel. But lovely texture. Every moment matters. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to enjoy putting different coloured bulbs in this. That's going to be my next order. Oops, I've gone off the Facebook page. Here we go. So have a good look round. Scentsy. So it doesn't say anywhere that I can see what size bulb it is. Maybe it's on my order. Let me log in. And have a quick look. Right, you can't click on the item. So I've no idea what bulb it is. Oh dear, never mind. But isn't it nice? Let me get this bulb out. Very gently put it on there. Let me get a bit of kitchen roll. Right, I might need a magnifying glass as well. Is that writing on the side? Get me a magnifying glass. Right, I'm not quite sure. $20. 240 volts, 25 watts. Ah, we have a winner. 25 watts. So I know what to buy for the coloured bulbs. So I'll just place that in the receptacle. And hopefully screw it in. This is fun. Right, so that's the bulb in. Do I have a free socket nearby? I don't think I do, you know. I might have to just take some pictures a little later. But, no, sorry, I don't have a socket, so I can't plug it in at the moment and show you it live. But that goes on there, and there we have it. Love it to bits. I'll take some pictures with it on, and I'll post them in group. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye.